Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download photos from Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download photos or video from the Insta360 Go 3S using the Insta360 Quick Reader for the Go 3S. So the first step is I'm going to put my SD card in here, my micro SD card, and we have it in. And the next step is to mount the camera to the Quick Reader. I'm going to pop out the USB-C, and if you hold this button in, it won't go back in. If I let it go, it goes back in. So I'm going to hold it in, and I'm going to attach it via USB-C to the Go 3S, and then I'm going to power it on. Oh, wrong button. It says connecting. And here you'll see Go 3S. There's 2.7 gigs on here. It's going to transfer over to the SD card, and it says transfer one file. So I'll hit that button. So transfer completed, one file transferred. We're going to hit got it. And then we're just going to unplug it. I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to plug this, or put that back in there. Let's see here. Go turn it off, and we'll take the SD card out of here. I'm gonna put it in the computer, and here we have the files. We have our MP4 file, and we have the preview file. So I'm just gonna take the MP4 and copy it here to my desktop. And it's as simple as that. That's how you get the files off the Go 3S and onto your computer. Thanks for watching.